These are the ArchMage Bluetooth headphones. They are really fantastic headphones. Today I'm going to talk about what I like about these headphones and what makes them so special. So these headphones come in a nice box, and you get this nice carrying case. With the headphones you get, all your nice papers and manual and stuff. Free 6 months extended warranty. Cool. You get your charging cable and your 3.5mm audio jack. Nothing too special here. It will work with a smartphone audio cable, but you have to supply that yourself if you want to do that. So just going over some of the features of these headphones. For one, let's talk about comfort. You can see that the headband is completely padded. The ear pads are padded as well. It's adjustable to fit your head, and these swivel to fit your head very well. Overall, I find these to be very comfortable. They fit over my ear almost completely. The hole here is not really quite the same size as my ear, so a part of my lobe will get caught. Really, that's the only thing I don't totally love about these headphones. They're almost kind of like on-ear headphones, but they still are over the ear. I thought that after an hour or two it'd be really uncomfortable because on-ear headphones really are uncomfortable for me. But these headphones are actually comfortable if you wear them all day. They could be a little more comfortable here in this area, but overall these are nice. Going over some of the features of these headphones, it does have a 3.5mm jack. I have my own smartphone audio cable that I use, so you can plug that in, and when you have it plugged into your smartphone, you can do the double tap and it will skip to the next track. So I have this hooked up to my computer. I've got my mic set up so I can monitor my audio, so that's really nice when I'm doing videos or something like this where I can monitor the audio just by hooking up a cable to it. Sweet. You have your charging jack, your power on button, your next track and volume up, previous track and volume down. So for these headphones in particular, to do the volume you have to press and hold, and next and previous track is just a single press. So what I'd like to talk about now is one feature that really interested me with these headphones, and that is the claim that this has 50 hours of battery life for playing time. So over a week ago, I charged this fully and I wanted to see if this was accurate or not. So I've been using these headphones at work and playing music. I've basically had these headphones turned on all day. I have the Bluetooth paired with my computer. I've been trying that out, and honestly, I am very impressed. I've gone at least 6 or 7 days with these on for about 6 to 8 hours each day, and it barely died yesterday. So the great thing about these headphones is that you can charge it once a week and have heavy playing time and it will work just great. A couple things I've noticed about this is when it's not actively playing music, it seems to go in kind of this standby mode, and I think that saves battery life. Another thing is if you are disconnected from a Bluetooth device for a certain amount of time, it will auto shut down. So this does whatever it can to conserve battery life, and even when you're playing music continually, it lasts for a super long time. Really nice. As far as the audio quality on this goes, I think it sounds great. I haven't noticed any problems with any of the ranges. So overall, they're just great headphones. I really like the fact that the battery lasts so long. They're very comfortable. Very happy with these headphones.